episodes. We've explored the dollar cost averaging strategy many times on the channel together, and late last year, I discovered a superior way of executing it than how we've done it in the past, which was deciding on a certain amount of funds we would like to put towards an investment at a certain frequency, like buying $100 worth of Bitcoin once per week, regardless of the price, which decreases our exposure to price volatility over the long term. And it's super easy to automate the DCA or dollar cost averaging strategy using Coinbase, Kraken, Uphold, and pretty much every other crypto platform. However, now we have the opportunity to intelligently automate our DCA strategies to buy Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies we want to build positions in at the best possible prices over time, as well as actually trade cryptocurrencies for profit, just like Wall Street, big institutional players, and professional traders. Hello, I'm Crypto Casey, and in this video, we are going to explore the best way to dollar cost average into crypto to supercharge our investment strategies and have the ultimate edge in this rigged, manipulated market to build and secure our wealth over time. Let's hit it. Look, we are getting ripped off by Wall Street, big institutional players, and professional traders and insiders because they use more market data that isn't readily available to retail investors like us, and they weaponize it. See, when we buy and sell crypto, we are never getting it at a better price than them, and it's extremely difficult to make profits when actively trading. We are cannon fodder being exploited. Check it out. When we log into our Coinbase account to buy, sell, and trade crypto, we see basic price information, like right here. We can see the current price of Bitcoin, which is also referred to as the best price, as it relates to the best bid price, which is the highest buy price, the best ask price, the lowest sell price, and the last traded price. And this is called level 1 data, which is free and widely available to everyone on level 1 screens, which is our trading dashboard on crypto exchanges. And as the term level 1 suggests, there is deeper market data used by institutional and professional investors called level 2 data, which is accessed on level 2 screens. And it gives them real-time access to the order book for cryptocurrencies, where in addition to seeing the best price available to us, they can also see pending buy and sell orders at various price levels, along with how many tokens are involved in the orders, which makes them privy to the overall market supply and demand beyond just the current price. For example, on the level 1 screen, if the best ask price is $10 for an order of just 1 token, and on the level 2 screen, there's an order for 100 tokens at $11 and an order for 200 tokens at $12, we have a way more accurate picture of potential price movements. So basically, institutional and professional players can see the depth of the market, which means they know how many orders exist at each price level, and this lets them, 1, spot large orders that could move the market, like a big buy order at a higher price, signaling potential price increases. 2, anticipate price changes by seeing if there are more buy or sell orders, helping them time their trades better. And 3, understand liquidity, helping them avoid situations where there aren't enough buyers or sellers, which can affect trade execution. For example, they may see many buy orders above the current price, so they buy now, knowing that the price is more likely than not going to rise, while we, retail investors, miss the gains, or in other cases are left holding their bags. We are up against big players that know exactly what's going on in the market. So here's the deal. In crypto, we can actually access level 2 data with Coinbase and Coin API. However, realistically, what are we going to do with it? Sit at our computer for hours watching trading data, trying to compete with institutional and professional traders? Yeah, not realistic. Even if we started learning how to trade right now, 1 year from now, we have 1 year of experience. 5 years from now, we have 5 years of experience, while up against decades of trading experience just right now, today. So what is more realistic? We pay a professional trader to manage our crypto? Now, if that were an option, and they were good with decades of a proven track record, would you be able to afford them? How much would someone like that or a service like that be worth if it were actually making you consistent gains every year, every month, every week, every day? Would it be worth $100,000 per year? $50,000 per year? Yeah, even if it were worth that much, most people can't afford that price point. So here's the deal. We've been undergoing an extraordinary technological revolution over the past decades, since the dawn of the internet, smartphones, landing rockets on platforms in the ocean, ChatGPT, and now hyper-acceleration and exponential growth engines with artificial intelligence. We can now compete on par with big players and not only dollar cost average into the best possible prices over the long term, we can also capitalize on the volatility of the crypto markets at large, just like institutional and professional traders, and make passive income, all for only about $1,166 per year. Many of y'all already know what I'm talking about and are raving fans. Many others remain skeptical and are being used, abused, and taken advantage of by the market with level 1 data on the level 1 screen. We all have the free option of buying $100 worth of Bitcoin every week at the worst price due to market manipulation, or have the option of buying altcoins low with hopes of selling them to someone else higher in this rigged market. And we all also have the option to invest in something that gives us an institutional level edge, an AI-enhanced robotic crypto trader that has been trained with over 25 years of level 2 market data, that was programmed by one of the first employees at Microsoft with over 50 years of programming experience. It's called Go Baby Trade, and I've been using it now for over a year and a half, and like many others since we first explored it together back in August, after personally, rigorously vetting and testing it out, have been making more money in the crypto markets than just buying and selling altcoins. And as of the beginning of this year, I actually started using it to dollar cost average into amazing Bitcoin price points. From our weekly webinars every Wednesday, many of y'all have started using it to DCA into other coins like XRP, which is awesome. And if you're extremely skeptical, just like I was, join us on our webinars every week on Wednesdays except holidays, where we walk through every aspect of the trader, answering any and all questions we may have, and basically gather all the information we would need to determine if this is something that makes sense for our unique financial situation, investment strategies, risk tolerance, etc. If you'd like to sign up for the next one, scroll down and use link below to sign up. That way, if you do decide it's something you'd like to invest in, you get a special $1,000 discount for a 3-year license, which comes out to only about $97 per month or $24 per week, like $3 per day, which honestly for what it does is absurdly cheap. However, after talking with the creator, which we can all do every Wednesday, and learning more about the origins of the trader, it makes sense because this thing is a passion project that has helped a lot of people put a simple, straightforward investment strategy in place for passive income that works. So check it out. Go Baby Trade is a fully automated crypto trading and money management platform that is enhanced with AI, or artificial intelligence. Sure, there are a lot of so-called AI crypto trading bots on the internet. However, there are two main differences between this crypto trading platform and all the rest. 1. Crypto trading bots function like tools that experienced traders use to help them actively trade cryptocurrencies, while Go Baby Trade functions like a set it and forget it crypto product that doesn't require us to actively trade or make any decisions about when to trade. And 2. Other crypto trading bots are using artificial intelligence that has been trained with trading data collected over just the past few years, while Go Baby Trade is enhanced with artificial intelligence that has been trained with over 25 years worth of trading data. And the difference is literally between working with a 5-year-old versus a 25-year-old. And what's interesting to understand is we don't necessarily need to choose our projects based on their cases, narrative, or anything for the most part. The trader automatically trades and takes profit as the price volatility fluctuates 24/7. It literally makes money while we sleep. And the setup is super simple. Anyone can do it. We just pretty much have to link it up to our Coinbase or Kraken account, choose the cryptocurrencies we wanted to trade, and let it run. I recommend Coinbase because with their Coinbase One membership, we get the best trading fees and a lot of other cool perks. And it's important to note, Go Baby Trade does not have access to your funds at all. It only has permission to buy and sell crypto, not transfer or move funds and crypto around. Only you have that power. So let's see it in action real quick, and then I'll show you the one easy click we can do if we want to DCA into a certain cryptocurrency instead of actively trading it. Logging into our trading account, this is the dashboard. On the left-hand side, there's a section that shows us the value of our Coinbase account or Kraken account, the total profits taken so far today, total profits taken over the past 30 days, total profits taken since we started using the trader, current profits saved, and the current price of Bitcoin. In the middle top section here is our portfolio, and it consists of the cryptocurrencies we've decided to let the trader actively trade, which are ideally cryptocurrencies with a lot of volatility because it generates more profit from a lot of crazy price action. So trading Bitcoin and Ethereum present less opportunities to generate profit than these smaller cap cryptocurrencies like ACH, GRT, and SHIB with more price swings. Sweet. Next to each cryptocurrency in our portfolio from left to right, we see the currency, how much the price is moving today, the current price, the quantity we own, the total market value of what we own, open positions the trader has taken, positions the trader has closed, our overall total profits versus losses, and then buttons with options to manually add or close positions. From my experience and after talking more with the creator, I do not recommend doing anything manually. Let the Go Baby Trade algorithm robotically trade the crypto for you. And then in the bottom middle section here, we see all of the filled orders. From left to right, we see each crypto, the action taken, whether opened or closed, the price, the quantity, the reason for the action, which can be that the profit goal was reached, or if all of the add to position rules in the algorithm were passed. And next to each reason an action was taken, AI stepped in to enhance the outcome of the trade, we can see AI listed next to it in parentheses. Pretty neat. Then in the next column, we can see the profit loss and then the day and time the trade executed. So just today, we can see how many actions the trader has taken and how much profit it has generated so far. All right, so now let's explore how fast and easy it is to set up the ultimate, superior, intelligently automated dollar cost averaging investment strategy. Go to the menu in the top right corner of the dashboard, click select currencies, and under the currency column on the left-hand side, type BTC in one of the available blue fields here, then decide what percentage out of 100% of your funds you would like to allocate to between buying Bitcoin and trading other coins. You can choose manually or simply click this spread presents equally button. And over here to the right under the allow sell column, uncheck that button. That way the trader is only buying Bitcoin at the best possible prices and not selling, allowing us to accumulate Bitcoin over time and ultimately implementing an intelligently automated dollar cost averaging strategy. And just to show you how it looks once it's in action, here are all of the filled Bitcoin buy orders over the last few months the trader has executed when the price of Bitcoin fell. Sometimes a few times per week, sometimes a few times per day. Super simple and straightforward. Amazing. And as we accumulate our Bitcoin to hold over the long term, the only surefire way to completely own, control, and secure it is with multiple hardware wallets. Tangent Wallet is super affordable, extremely easy to set up, only takes like 90 seconds, great for beginners. And Ledger Stacks and Flex wallets have extra security layers, and our community gets the best discounts on the market using the links below. Awesome. If you would like to learn more about how Go Baby Trade works to diversify our crypto investment strategies, check out this video. If you would like to learn about Uphold, a Web3 platform that is a way better, safer option than banks and exchanges to store our US dollars and manage crypto, check out